Impecgear duffel bag, great for traveling, gym, or other type of usage. Impecgear's compact camo gym bag is perfect for storing your everyday gym necessities like towels, drinks, and more. Because of its cylindrical shape, it can easily fit into the gym locker and be out of the way. Our camo gym bag has an inconspicuous digital gray camouflage color that will be unintrusive in all manner of surroundings. The strap length on the bag can be adjusted to carry it over the shoulder in a comfortable manner. In the duffel bag, the main compartment is U-shaped, on the front are two zippered pockets, as well as a cell bottle holder on both sides. Our bag has enough space for all your needs without being so big that it is cumbersome and bulky. We also added a water bottle holder so that you can have your drink without having to open the duffel bag. Impecgear ACU Sports Duffels Bag Camouflage Duffel, Tactical Gear 18 inches, 21 inches, 31 inches, Camo, 18 inches. Are you ready to hit the gym? Store your every gym essentials inside the Impecgear Camo Gym Bag. Our bag provides just enough space to store all your basics without being bulky and heavy. Our Camo Gym Bag has a U-shaped main spacious compartment, front two zippered pockets to store extra items, cell and bottle holder on each side, making it perfect for carrying along with you. All staff contact numbers/emails are in the company directory on Get Your Hands on the Impecgear Camo Gym Bag, available at an affordable price range. To get the more latest updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can never miss any update from us.